watching FrankstonTV.
Link out to represent.
Representing good driving, no hooning, everybody having a good night. Link out to represent.
I'm Sergeant Bruce Buchan, Highway Patrol Frankston. We're here tonight because we were told there was going to be an event up to 1,000 cars, maybe attracting up to 10,000 people. There were two groups, an old Melbourne Cruise Club and another club called Highway. Now this is a fairly first event here, and it's a suck it and see exercise to see how the two groups are going to behave here and how it would cope. The groups have been pretty good. The organisers said there's a lot of pressure on the clubs to do the right thing. If they don't do the right thing by themselves, they probably won't get an invite back. They are here by the good grace of the organisers of the clubs and also the owners of the car park. If they stuff it up, well, they probably won't come back next year. So we're happy so far.
All we want to do is just cruise around, have our cars and not get hassled. We're here, Frankston Home Centre, supporting muscle cars and enthusiasts.
That's it, mate.
That's it. My old man built me this car. It's a 1970 VG Valiant Regal, 265 triple Webers, alloy head, aluminium head, 411s, 9-inch and a 4-speed. Goes tough, mate.
I've come down from Thomastown to support the car enthusiasts. We're at Bunnings in Frankston. Came for a cruise. My name's Pat, I'm a motor mechanic by trade. I work in a panel shop in Coburg. I love building cars. I've built the Charger there, the VH, built the Regal behind me, and I'm in the process of building a VH Pacer.
G'day guys, I'm Jeff here from Super Coffee Man. We're down here at the Highway versus Melbourne Old School meet. It's all for the Blue Ribbon Foundation, for the police, and we're trying to support a beautiful sort of car enthusiasm here. If you have a look around, you've probably seen already on FrankstonTV, some great muscle cars, beautiful imports and some great bikes too. Tell you what guys, if you can come down here next time, you'll really enjoy it. And come down and grab a coffee too, supercoffeeman.com.au. Have a good night guys.
God bless me, nobody can't test me. Everyday life can't stress me. Stay on the ball like Messi. But the young women are the only things that impress me. I stay flat and sexy. Life is a game of chess, and all the girls wanna check me. How much do you wanna bet me that I never ever let a female sweat me? I ain't got a tool no more, cause tools are walking the door. Everybody start doing what they do, don't know what the ball.
I'm down here to just take a few photos of the car scene down in Melbourne. I come from MCE, Modified Car Events off Facebook. We go to any local events around Melbourne, and if you check out our page, we bring all events to one page, so you don't have to go looking for them, and it's all around Australia. www.facebook.com/modifiedcarevents. Check it out, you're watching Frankston TV.